Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 3. Today, we are going to discuss some application level questions based on multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number. Okay, children? So, let's move to the textual questions. Example question is, there are 54 students in a class of a school. The school had 8 such classes. How many students were there in the entire school? Okay, so read the question carefully. Here it is given number of students in a class is 54. Okay, number of students 54, and the school had 8 such classes. Okay, so we have to find out the number of students in that school. Okay, so it's a word problem, so we have to write the steps. The first step we can write number of students in one class, that is given 54. So number of students in one class is equal to 54 students. Then second step, number of classes in the school. How many such classes are there? 8. So number of classes in the school is equal to 8. Then next step, number of students in the school. So we know one class is having 54 students and 8 such classes are there. So to get the total number of students, we have to multiply 54 8 times. That is, here the number 54 we are adding repeatedly 8 times. We know multiplication is the repeated addition, isn't it? So instead of adding 54 8 times, we can multiply 54 by 8. Okay, so how to multiply? 54 and 8 you have to write just under the ones place digit. Then here you should know the table of 8 to answer this question. So first 8 fours are yes 32. From 32 you can write 2 here, 3 carry over to the next place. Then 8 fives are 40. 40 add the carryover now. 80 plus 40 plus 3 43. 43 you can write. So you got the product 432. That is, therefore total number of students in the school is equal to 432. Is it clear, children? This way you can write the steps and you can multiply this. Clear? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Manoj travelled 7 kilometers in a day. If he travels the same distance every day, how much distance does he travel in 25 days? Question once again. Manoj travelled 7 kilometers in a day. If he travels the same distance every day, how much distance does he travel in 25 days? So, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus up to 25 times we have to add 7 to get the answer, isn't it? So, instead of adding 7 repeatedly, we can multiply 7 with 25 to get the answer, isn't it? Yes. So, it's a word problem, so we have to write the steps and then we will multiply. So we can write the steps like this. The distance that Manoj travelled in a day. The distance that Manoj travelled in a day is equal to 7 kilometers. Then he travels the same distance every day. The distance he travels in 25 days is equal to 25 into 7. Then write inside 25 into 7 and multiply. We know 7 fives are 35. Write 5 here and 3 carry over to the next place. Then 7 into 2. 7 twos are 14. 14. Then add 3 with that. 14 plus 3, 17. So 175 is the answer. We can write the last step. Therefore, Manoj travels 175 kilometers in 25 days. Clear, children? This way we can answer. Now let's move to the next question. Number of chocolates let us now try to frame a few multiplication word problems using multiplication. Children, if the steps are given, you should know how to frame a question. Okay, if the steps of a multiplication problem is given, then you can construct or you can frame one question for this. Look how to do that. Number of chocolates in a box is equal to 9. Number of such boxes is equal to 5. Total chocolates is equal to 45. So children, here by taking these all answers, you can frame a word problem. Okay. So how we can write? A box. We know here number of chocolates in a box is given 9. So we can write a box contains 9 chocolates. A box contains 9 chocolates. There are 5 such boxes. There are 5 such boxes. Find the total number of chocolates. Isn't it? Yes. This way we can form the or frame the question. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, look at the next one. Frame a word problem with the given fact. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Only this much is given. You can, with your own imagination, you can frame the question. Okay. So, here 8 times 2 is 16. That is given. So, here it is given there are 2 rows with 8 students in each row. What is the total number of students? In other words, you can form there are 8 chocolates, 8 chocolates in Ria's hand, and how many chocolates are there in 8 chocolates are there with Ria and Susan. Okay, so what is the total number of chocolates both they are having? So number of students 2, isn't it? Ria and Susan, there are 2 and they are having 8 chocolates with them. So 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Total number of chocolates 16, isn't it? So the same way you can imagine yourself and you can form questions. Clear, children? Okay. This type of application level questions are there in our workbook also. So you can also answer that. Children, now we are going to discuss our workbook questions. So in your textbook page number 54, the multiplication, you can see these questions. First one, multiple choice questions. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to dash. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? Yes, 3 times we are adding 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes, so the answer is 12. Option C is the right answer. Now, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we are adding 5. So, what is the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So, the answer is 25. Option D is the right answer. Next one, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So, here 6 is adding repeatedly. How many times? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And we are adding 6 times 6 is 36. So, you can write 36. Option A is the right answer. Now, come to the next question. 5 into 6 is equal to, you know the table of 5 and 6 well, isn't it? So, what is 5, 6 are? 5, 6 are 30, isn't it? Yes. So, option C is the right answer, 30. Now, next question. Any number multiplied by dash is the number itself. Any number multiplied by dash is the number itself. We know if we are multiplying 2 with 1, we will get the 2 as the answer. If we are multiplying 3 with 1, then 3 is the answer. That is, the number itself is the answer. And if we are multiplying 10 with 1, then 10 is the answer, isn't it? So, when we are multiplying any number with 1, we will get the number itself as the answer. So, 1 is the answer. Okay, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Clear, children? Okay. Next question. Which symbol is used for multiplication? Which symbol is used for multiplication? Yes, into symbol, isn't it? A cross like symbol, into symbol, X like symbol, right? Yes. Now, that is option B is the right answer. Now, next question. 7 into 8 is equal to dash. 7 into 8 is equal to dash. You know the table of 7 well, and 7 and 8 both well, isn't it? So what is the answer? 7 8s are 56. Okay. Then next question. The number written on the right side of the equal to sign is called the dash. The number written on the right side of the equal to sign is called the what? Yes, product. The number written on the right side of the equal to sign is called the product. Then dash is repeated addition. What is repeated addition? Multiplication. Multiplication is the repeated addition. Okay. Now next question. Is 8 into 3 the same as 3 into 6? So let's check, children. So first you have to see the table of 3 up to 8. Okay. Let's check what is 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. And let's check what is 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Is these two are same, children? No. So these two are not same. Okay. Now next question. Multiply 9 and 3. 9 and 3, that is 9 into 3. So you say the table of 3 up to 9 or say the table of 9 up to 3. Then you will get the answer. 9 3s are 27. So you can write 27 here. Then solve 9 into 9. That is, say the table of 9 up to 9. 9 9s are 81. Can write. Now the next question. Find the product of 16 and 5. Look, children, 16 and 5. We first you write 16. Then just down the ones place digit you can write 5. Then multiply. Okay. 5 with 6 first. 5 6 are 30. So from 30 you can write 0 in ones place. 3 in tens place. Then 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 80 is the answer. Clear, children? Don't forget, always you have to add the carryover number. Okay, multiply first, then add the carryover number, then only you write the product here. Got it? Okay. Now next question, 24 into 6. So first you arrange in column like this. Then here you have to say the table of 6 up to 4 first, then 6 up to 2. So 6 4s are 24. From 24, 4 you can write here. 2 carry over to the next place. Then 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 144 is the product. Got it, children? Okay. Now, the next page you can see some more questions, and it is write the multiplication table of 7 and 8. It's a simple job for you, isn't it? So everyone please do it as a homework. Then next one is also find the following products to multiply these numbers. So this one also you can answer as a homework. Clear, children? So everyone do all the works and study all the topics we learn. Okay, children? And don't forget, by heart the multiplication tables very well. Okay, thank you.